blank anvil. See it blow downstream. Right here at the magic hour. And the beast is over here. See this inflow kind of dragging into it. Incredible energy inside of that storm there. My hometown supposedly was hit. We don't know how bad, but I want to tell you something about chasing your dreams and being all you can be. Take a look at some of these anvil crawlers. You know, life's just not easy. And a lot of times it's painful. Very painful. In ways you couldn't believe. And there'd be times that you feel like quitting. Ooh, I might need to get down. I feel something weird. Like lightning. I have to get down off of this high point. I wanted y'all to know, don't give up. Sometimes there's another way. Whoa! Hey! Let's be honest. It's hard to get to the top. It's pretty easy to get down. So let's get down low here.
250 feet, take a left.
Whoa! Madness in the skies here. This is a tornado-warned storm, a real bad one. I don't know how bad. They said there were some threes out there.
In a quarter mile, take a right on US 49 south.
Look at that energy just rolling off the anvil. These are like spider crawlers right here. It's getting a bit closer. You know, this is about a 2,500 joule day, and you know, there's a lot of energy in there, like atom bomb. Thing goes all the way up to the stratosphere. It's closing in. Wow, yeah, this thing can't capture all of it. Looking straight up into vertical. there.
In a quarter mile, take a right on US 40.